thanks for your time, and thank you, Sanjana, for arranging this. I'll just complete my thing in very quick. Shishir, I am a chartered accountant by profession and into the corporate world since last 5 years. I've worked with Blue Dart and then Delivery. It was a startup. It take Series D, E, and F funding in my when I was there. Then I worked for FARI as an investor relations and performance reporting and MIS team. Now, since I have worked in a startup, so it was there in my mind since last 2.5 years, or to start something of my own. I have been working on some ideas, like 2 3 ideas. I worked from start to beginning, and then something happened. The main crunch or the main drawback which I have ever faced is the tech domain, because I am having a finance background. I am having a CA qualification and having a background of that only. So I'll come to that in a later state. First, I will just want to share what I am thinking to plan and what I am thinking to develop with you. So just to take your inputs on that as well. In India, we are seeing that a lot of startups are coming into market, and in the next 5 years there will be an 2x or 5x number of startups in India, which has been till date as of now. So I want to prepare a tool or a platform or a dashboard where we can manage all the cap table and ESOPs for all the startups, say it early stage, say it's a grown up stage, say Series E, B, C, D, from their inception to till it becomes IPO and got listed. So with the platform and with the dashboard, I want to manage their all a cap table, from the founder stake, from the seed investor to the angel investor to the Series A, B, C, D, E, in a click of a button, where the CEO, CFO, and everyone who are the major stakeholders, or even investors who want to see how the cap table is moving, how the dilution is getting, if some secondary or primary is happening, how it is happening. So just a click of a button, with the help of the dashboard, it will be available. And for the ESOP, from right from the making the ESOP policy, since the ESOP grants of the option like vesting, unvesting, forfeiture, cancellation, its accounting in the books of accounts as per the Ind AS and all, everything will come up from the dashboard from the front end. And I know that there are some startups who are already in the market working on this concept, but still they're not very large number of startups which are into this space. Though I know there are 4 or 5 startups already doing this kind of business, and in the long run, my certainly to catch something else. And the solution and the aim which is like I want slowly and gradually I want to eliminate manual spreadsheet, Google working, Excel sheet working from the finance department. Everything should be connected to the next step, to the previous step, with the help of a trail, and where we cannot depend on some Excel file or some single person, and to like Shishir will update it and then I'll get the data. It should be a open source for everyone who are the stakeholders or who are the team members, and they are just working on the dashboard and getting each and every kind of reports and each and every kind of information they want. It will help the investors, the stakeholders, the management, the finance team, the HR guys, and the compliance, my company secretary, CS team as well. So this was my idea. This is what I'm working on from last 4 or 5 months. So if you have something to add here, or I'll come to my next problem, what I'm facing.
No, I'll tell you, idea is good, but I bet you have not done any survey on this. Did you ask entrepreneurs whether they will take it or not? You need to do a survey.
They will take it.
You need to do a
the
survey.
problem currently is
at least 100 entrepreneurs have a survey. Ask them, right? Because as far as I know, people in India, they don't want to pay for such things, right? Even for legal services, they don't want to pay until and unless they are stuck into something, right? And this is something which is not becoming a product. For me, it's like a feature of a product. I can imagine, it might be clubbed into something which is day to day. Why would anybody keep this app in the phone? Suppose this is an app. Give me one reason why would anybody watch this and keep this app into the phone. So maybe this becomes a part of a HRIS system, or maybe the entire MIS could be a feature of something, but it does not seems to be a full-fledged product to me as of now. Right? You need to think why somebody will keep this every day in the phone, why will not uninstall, and why people will use it. You need to have at least engagement time of 15-20 minutes from my point. So then only this something this is well, we don't even keep Uber app, right? Uber and Ola app. So, because people like me, I might have used Ola and Uber maybe once or twice in my life. So why should I keep that app? And I've seen people, only for airport purpose. They don't need. Why should they keep that app? Right. Similarly, there are certain apps which people just install that moment and uninstall. So, if that is the case, then it becomes really, really difficult to monetize that model. Take my point. What are you thinking? You want to get it monetized through other chartered accountants? It is a B2B product or B2C?
It's a B2B product. We will sell it to the startups or to the enterprises. It will be an enterprise solution product where we initially won't be charging anything until unless it is up to 25 or 50 or 60 users. There will be only for one-time implementation fee, so very nominal, around 25,000 to 30,000 only. Then as the company grows, as the startup grows, and it keeps on hiring employees on a ESOP basis, because currently the trend is CTC plus ESOPs. Every startup and the ESOP is in the trend. Now every company is granting ESOPs, every company is managing ESOPs. And managing ESOPs manually is also not a very simple task when a company becomes the size of a Series A and Series B, where you have 100 and 150 employees.
That's what I was thinking. It should become a part of the payroll software as a feature, not as a product. Getting my point? So maybe you can have an API system wherein you should make it for payroll companies. The applications which are into HRIS or payroll, you can give them an API access so that this becomes a feature of their system, and then they can pay you regularly.
Right. I just want to add one more thing. Like there is a HRMS tool. I won't name it here right now. So they have just launched their product, and they are also into they are up to 20-25 customer right now. I have been in discussion with them, right. So we are not adding just a feature in between the HRMS portal, but we are just giving a toggle. Like you want to switch to the ESOP and cap table product, or you want to switch to the proper HRMS table, because though it is linked to some of the HR functions, but for CAs, for finance guys, for the CFOs and for the CEOs, it will not be that relevant to only to the HRMS portal only, because it is though it is containing some information.
I doubt if you give it as a toggle, there is a risk. Then the HRMS company will build their own tool, right? Because they don't want any other branding to get, right? So if you give them white label option, API integration which does not depict your brand, this would be a good integration for them. But if you think like that, you want to promote your own brand, they might have challenges and they will build their own product later on. And this is going to happen definitely sooner or later. The moment you charge them more, they will definitely build their own product, because as a tech guy, I can tell you technical feasibility or the challenges are almost nil in making this particular product. It's a very simple one. It does not require any special skill like AI or ML. Very, very simple one. Anybody can make it. So that will also be a challenge for you later on. Because your customers might become your competitors. You need to discount that factor. Any follow-up question?
No, not as of now. I've taken all your inputs and all your suggestions. I'll work on it as well, and then maybe later on some other Tuesdays I'll come with some more solution and more inputs to this.
Definitely, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time and a lot of iterating. So you can't make the best product in one. So we have to keep on trying, making a lot of changes and modifications, and then only we can make the product. So experiment is the only way out.
Yeah, right. And I just want to confirm whether I was able to explain the use of this, because the use of this is not limited to only HR. The CFO, the finance guy, the CEO, the investors, the everyone is linked to this report, and this is on a daily basis update. A manual Excel file one can not rely on that, because I have been part of delivery, and there we have seen like how it is difficult to manage a ESOP program or cap table when you have 1,000 and more employees who you have given ESOPs, and they are leaving the employer organization on a daily basis. The vesting and investing schedule keeps on changing, where the every vesting and every exercise the cap table changes just because the ESOP has been converted into shares. So that was my idea. I hope
No,
I was able to convey it
I'm
to you.
not concerned about the product. To be honest, product is good. It is solving a problem. I'm concerned about the revenues and the challenges of your customer becoming the competitor. Getting my point? So these are the 2 points. It is solving a problem, especially for companies like delivery, Flipkart and all. It is solving a problem, and it is a good product indeed. But all I'm talking about is, what if your competitor or an HRIS where they get this feature made, then it's very difficult for you to even get this product in that company, because your competitor is already established, right? And nobody wants to stop their existing relations. So that becomes a difficult part. So that is why I recommend you to easily, make it easy for them, so that they never think about making their own product. If you give your API and all, why would they make their own product, right? And if it is white label, then they will never have to think about anything. And later on, you can think of monetizing in different ways. Data is the new one. Probably you can start monetizing the data, right? Later, not right. And you need to have such kind of contract of data privacy, wherein that allows you to use the data. All right. Thank you. Next one,
Thank
please.
you so much. Thank you so much.